Come test drive the 2017 BMW 3 Series. Proof that all good things come in threes, the BMW 3 Series has a well-deserved reputation for packing outstanding driving dynamics and excellent quality. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, moonroof, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, CD player, heated front seats, rear window defroster, security system, fog lights, trip computer, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.